Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Forms from accepting responses. So, right here in our screen, I have created a sample form on Google Forms. The next is just head over to Google Forms at docs.google.com/forms and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is select the specific form that you want to stop accepting responses to. And from here, make sure that the form is published by clicking on the Publish button, then click on Publish. And to stop accepting responses, click on the Publish button, then turn off the Accepting Responses option. Then, once done, just click on Save. As you can see here, the form is no longer accepting responses. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!